Well, I have my two coops nearly finished with the construction. One for my daughter, one for my wife. They feature a double closing door so that if my Arduino controlled door fails, I can enlist the mechanical door. They both have a locking jam mechanism so that a raccoon can't pry them open from the outside. It uses a couple of magnets. I painted them black because I don't want the chickens picking at them. I think that'll deter them. There's a switch up in here, a little micro switch to sense when the door is open, and a magnetic switch under here for when it's closed. A TMP36 sensor to control my heat lamp this winter. I'm considering motorizing this vent so that that can open up with the right temperature requirements. Just two nest boxes. I need to cut a clean out hole in the center here so I can put a wheelbarrow right underneath it and scoop straight into the wheelbarrow. Little awning window. It's kind of a popular design around here in the Northeast. This one is Arduino controlled. I have a Mega in here, and so you can see it's on duty right now. I have a 24 volt power supply that feeds the door motor through this L298N. Little buck converter that feeds the Arduino and the LCD screen. This LCD screen has several iterations. Let's see if I can get the shade cast on here. I can change the display iterations by clicking this button. So now I'm in a programming screen, and I can write to the EEPROM using this little pot here and tell this thing when it's going to open in the morning. The next screen, same thing. I use the same potentiometer to write to the EEPROM when to close at night, and so on. I can control my heat lamp, my water, and Tessa's my daughter. It's for her. And it goes back to the normal screen. Now, my first time I made one of these, I had a little bit of trouble with it, and I decided with this one I wanted to have an override. So even though it's broad daylight and the door's wide open because it's using this sensor, I can override it and tell it to close with these little guys here. So this is an override switch right here. When override is on, my little light there here turns blue, and as you can see, this light out here turns blue, so it can remind us if we walk away that it's still in override. So if I flip this down, that door's closed, and the light's green because the door's closed and the chickens are safe. I'll flip this little override switch up, and voila. So I think that's the tour of the features here. I have a little egg counter button here, so I think my daughter will have fun counting her eggs. And temperature readout, daylight readout. I think that's everything. I'd really like some input if anybody can think of things I've overlooked that I should change, make improvements, whether it be the Coop itself or the Arduino stuff. Thanks for watching.